Good day, sir. Today, we will present our Laboratory 7 in ITPF02. So, let's start. First, we will run our code. As you can see, sir, nakikita po natin yung user login panel. And I will input a wrong example email and password. For example, gmail.com. Password. Example na lang natin. Login. As you can see, sir, lumabas po yung pop-up message na nag-fail po tayo mag-login. So, as for the next part is gagawin po ng partner yun, which is Justin Bautista. Lalagay po yung correct email and password.
Good day, sir. Ilalagay ko po ngayon yung correct Gmail and password po. And password. Lilitaw po dito yung pop-up login successful po. At lilitaw po yung welcome.
That's all for today, sir, and thank you.
Thank you po.